Starting around 21 walk 2024 Jasmy coin is exchanging at $.11 in term of its ERST rate with a value change of 138% in truly most recent 1 hour in a kind of significant manner. Jasmy in every way that really matters has an essentially complete market cap of $1,040,745.95 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $429,583,910 in a for the most part significant manner. This makes Jasmy coin Jasmy positioning at 94 in the cryptographic money market. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Jasmy coin cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Jasmy coin sort of be exceptionally worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Jasmy coin a truly wise speculation? Or extremely worth purchasing in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Will Jasmy cost explicitly outperform its untouched high, which in a real sense is very huge? These especially are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, which especially is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation 2024 as per the Jasmy coin gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Jasmy cost truly is supposed to in every way that really matters cross a buy and large normal value level of $233. The normal extremely least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the truly current year ought to generally be $2 to $4. Besides, Jasmy can basically arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $277, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Jasmy coin value estimate walk. 2024 the sort of normal cost of Jasmy coin Jasmy could essentially go to $0.24 toward the finish of walk 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Jasmy could in a real sense exchange around a most extreme worth of $189 with the in every way that really matters, least expected cost of $168, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin Jasmy value figure April 2024. For April 2024 the cost of Jasmy coin especially is truly anticipated to arrive at a truly normal cost of $188, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $197 and an in every practical sense least of $181. Essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Jasmy value figure May 2024. In May 2024 the cost of Jasmy coin generally is determined to truly be at around a truly least worth of $183 in an unobtrusive manner. The Jasmy coin value worth can for the most part arrive at a limit of $206 with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $191 in ERST in an extremely huge way. Jasmy coin value expectation June 2024. Jasmy coin cost in every practical sense is supposed to basically reach between $188 to $215 in June 2024, while the in every way that really matters normal cost of Jasmy for the June especially remains around $197. Jasmy coin Jasmy value figure July 2024. For July 2024 the cost of Jasmy coin truly is anticipated to fundamentally arrive at an extremely normal cost of $201 while the coin could exchange between a for the most part limit of $225 and at least $192, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin value estimate August 2024. In August 2024 the cost of Jasmy coin by and large is supposed to explicitly be at around a genuinely least of $in a kind of huge manner. Jasmy coin cost can really arrive at a by and large limit of $235 with the in every practical sense normal cost of $209 in USD, exhibiting how on the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what most certainly is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2024, what will Jasmy coin by and large be truly worth in 2024 in a significant manner? Jasmy coin value estimate September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Jasmy coin is supposed to generally be at around a genuinely least of $25 in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin cost can explicitly arrive at a truly limit of $246 with the especially normal cost of $213 in ERST in an exceptionally significant way. Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation October 2024. Concerning October 2024, Jasmy coin value sort of is gauged to arrive at an actually the most minimal cost of $15 in a huge manner. The Jasmy cost could sort of arrive at an especially greatest cost of $54 with the very normal expected cost around $222, showing how Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation 2024 as per the Jasmy coin conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Jasmy cost generally is supposed to in a real sense cross a normal value level of $233. The normal kind of least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to really be $4. Jasmy value conjecture November 2024. The Jasmy coin figure for November 2024 expects that the Jasmy may especially arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $0.0265 with a really least cost of around $0.019, which explicitly is very huge. Discussing the sort of typical value, Jasmy can stretch around $2 for November, which by and large is very huge. Jasmy coin Jasmy value conjecture December 2024. For December 2024, the cost of Jasmy coin fundamentally is truly anticipated to especially arrive at an exceptionally normal cost of $233, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of $277 and a genuinely least of $224 in a quite huge manner. Jasmy coin especially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Jasmy coin's cost has shown a very decent increment of 12.51% in the sort of most recent 24 hours, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. From especially most recent 7 days, the Jasmy truly was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 8.13% in a genuinely significant manner. Jasmy coin in every practical sense has shown areas of strength for fundamentally potential of late, and this could be in every practical sense. Great chance to, in every way that really matters, dive right in and generally put resources into an unpretentious way. Jasmy coin value estimate 2024 fact is what will be Jasmy coin in every practical sense, worth in 2024, or so they especially thought. The Jasmy cost certainly is gauged to in a real sense arrive at an especially greatest degree of $277 with in every practical sense, least cost of $224 toward the finish of 2024. So Jasmy coin Jasmy value expectation 2024 as per the Jasmy coin estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Jasmy cost generally is supposed to for the most part cross a truly normal value level of $233. The normal certainly least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to in a real sense be $224, which is genuinely huge. Does Jasmy coin have a future? In an unobtrusive manner. As far as value, Jasmy coin fundamentally has an extraordinary certainly potential to arrive at new levels, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. It in every practical sense is figure that Jasmy will increment in esteem. So Jasmy value conjecture November 2024. The Jasmy coin estimate for November 2024 expects that the Jasmy may for the most part arrive at a greatest worth of $265 with a really least cost of around $219 in a fundamentally significant manner. As indicated by truly unambiguous specialists and business investigators, Jasmy coin can raise a ruckus around town, the most exorbitant cost of $796 till 2030, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Is Jasmy coin worth purchasing in 2024, which is genuinely huge? Jasmy coin's worth explicitly is supposed to all things considered keep on extending, as deficiency will in general truly energize